In previous class we have seen inheritance and polymorphism. Today let us see abstract classes. Abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated on its own. It is meant to be subclassed. Usually classes are used to create objects, but with this abstract class we cannot create objects. Then what is the purpose of this abstract class? Let's take animals cat and dog. They have characteristics. Both will sleep and make sound, and they can have properties like name, weight, color. Why to represent all these common properties and methods in each class? We can create generalized class animal and move all these common properties and methods into that superclass animal. Like this, all the common properties and methods will be moved to this generalized class animal. Assume all the animals will sleep in the same way, so we can provide the implementation here. That common code can be reused by all the subclasses which are extending this animal superclass. But when it comes to this make sound method, each animal will make different sound. Cat can say meow and dog can say bow. So it is not appropriate to implement this make sound method in this animal class. For this method sound we cannot provide implementation here, so it is abstract method, means it is incomplete. So we have to make this class animal also as abstract class, which will restrict this class to be instantiated. We can create object of type dog like this, and we can even create cat object and we can assign that to the animal reference. But creating object of type animal is not allowed. It makes sense to create cat, dog or tiger objects, but what exactly is animal object? What shape it is, what color it is, and what is its size, and what sound it makes? We don't know. If you know specific type like cat or dog, then we can know which type of sound it can make. So this generalized class animal is incomplete. For the incomplete classes we cannot create objects. To restrict the object creation, we have to label that class as abstract class. But we need the superclass animal for inheritance and polymorphism. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated on its own. They can be used as abstract superclasses to more specialized subclasses. Let's see benefits of abstract classes. Abstract classes can be used for abstraction. Abstract classes and methods provide a way to define blueprint or template for a classes without providing complete implementation. This allows you to create high-level abstract representations of an object. Abstract classes enforce certain structure or contract that concrete subclasses must adhere to. By using abstract classes, you can enforce certain methods to be implemented individually by the child classes. Abstract classes used as reference type to enable polymorphism. Let us create Java project abstract class. Remove this module.info. Create class abstract class demo. Let us include main method. First let us create generalized class animal. Let us define constructor. We have sleep method. Let us create another method, make sound. But cat and dog, they will make different sounds, so we cannot provide implementation here. That implementation should be specific to subclasses. So we have to make this method as abstract here. See here we are getting error. The type animal must be an abstract class to define abstract methods. So we have at least one abstract method, so we have to declare this class also as abstract. Whatever the subclasses extending this abstract class animal needs to implement this method makeSound, or else they should be declared as abstract. Let us create subclass cat from the superclass animal. Let me write constructor. Here one unimplemented method is there within the animal, so we have to implement this. Cat says meow. Similarly, let us create dog class also. We can create objects of type cat and dog. Let us create cat object with name kitty. Similarly, we can create dog object. Let's say name is Max. Let me run this program. We got this output. Kitty is sleeping. Kitty says meow. Max is sleeping. Max says bow. But instantiating this animal class is not allowed since it is abstract. Let us check that. It is showing error. Cannot instantiate the type animal. Since it is a abstract class, means it is incomplete class. But we can assign this cat object to animal reference. And we can call this sleep method and makeSound method on this object A. We can assign dog object to the same animal reference. We can call these two methods sleep and makeSound. Let us give space here. Let us run it again. First we created cat object and invoked makeSound method. It printed it says meow. Then we created dog object. Then we call the method makeSound on object A. Now it is printing Max says bow. From this example, we can observe that Java is able to determine the appropriate implementation of makeSound at runtime in each case. Here, animal abstract class used as reference type to enable polymorphism. Let us see some of the rules of abstract classes and abstract methods. Abstract class can contain abstract methods and concrete methods also. Any class containing an abstract method must be declared as an abstract class. An abstract class cannot be instantiated, it must be subclassed. A subclass of an abstract class may be instantiated only if it implements all of the superclass abstract methods. A subclass that implements only some of the abstract methods must itself be declared as abstract. A class may be declared as abstract even it contains no abstract methods. Suppose if we want to restrict that class to be instantiated. This typing mistake is not mine. Abstract method may contain constructor but cannot be called directly since abstract classes cannot be instantiated.